Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the leak. So, as we're going over everything today, because we're still working on the Lancia, had to do a couple other things and help Burnsy out with a couple things that he's working on. We've had a leak, and I wasn't 100% sure, and I should have paid attention more, and I didn't. We have a gearbox that's leaking like crazy all the way down. So we're going to have to address this with the owner, see what he wants to do, how he wants things approached. The first thing I'm going to recommend is a massive power wash to the underside of the car, which we have a... Did I move it? I moved it. We have a pressure washer at the other end. So we can roll it outside, put it up on low lifts, lay down and pressure wash the snot out of everything and get it nice and clean so that we can deal with it. I'm getting ready to pull the drive shaft, put something underneath it. I've already got the starter and everything out that way, so that's good. But yeah, this wire got fried. I mean, it's yeah, I'm just, no. I don't want to take any chances with the owner. So yeah, we'll address that with him. Exhaust is unbolted here out of the way. I think that's pretty much all I've got to do up front. Oh no, I still got to do my transmission lines. Duh. Brain fart. So, okay, I'll get that addressed real quick, get that taken care of, get those plugged and capped. And then we can start pulling the drive shaft, get that done and taken care of. And then we're going to be pulling the transmission. Burns, are you ready to do a transmission in a little bit, I hope?
Yeah.
Of course you are. Talk about a badunk-a-dunk.